The price of SXP is now $1.27, with a 24-hour trading volume of $83 million. Our SXP to USD conversion rate is updated in real time. In the previous 24 hours, SXP has dropped by 5.17 percentage points. With a live market capitalization of $611 million, the current CoinMarketCap ranking is 99. There are 479 million SXP coins in circulation, which is the total supply of the currency. In accordance with our most recent swipe price forecast, the value of swipe will increase by 11.8% and reach $1.42 by March 15, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current emotion is bearish, and the fear and greed index is indicating fear at the moment. Over the previous 30 days, swipe has had 47% of its days in the green and 6.81% of its days in the red. According to our swipe forecast, it is now a horrible time to invest in swipe. Swipe has support levels of $1.30, $1.25, and the strongest at $1.22, all based on today's traditional pivot point P1, which has a value of $1.33. Swipe has resistance levels of $1.30, $1.25, and the strongest at $1.22. Swipe resistance levels are also at $1.37, $1.40, and $1.44, in the same manner. It was on May 3, 2021, that swipe attained its all-time high price of $5.92, when it was trading at its all-time high of $5.92. The lowest price since the ADH was $1.06 cycle low, which was the previous low. The highest SXP price since the last cycle low was $1.48 cycle high, which occurred in the middle of the previous cycle. Swipe's price forecast mood is now pessimistic, according to the data. In the current circulating supply of swipe, there are 194.57 million SXP available, with a maximum supply of 299.99 million SXP available. Currently, swipe is placed at number 33 in the DeFi coins category and at number 85 in the Ethereum sector, based on market capitalization. Swipe had its best year in 2019, when the price of SXP climbed by 403.03%, from $0.240366 to $1.21. This was the best year for the company. Swipe had its worst year in 2020, when the price decreased by -38.60%, from $1.21 to $0.742, representing a loss of -38.60%. Swipe has seen an average annual growth rate of 179.6% every year during the previous 4 years. Swipe typically performs best in the third quarter, with an average gain of 255.86%, and worst in the fourth quarter, with a loss of -27.57%. Predicting where Swipe's price will go in the long run may be accomplished by comparing Swipe to other significant technology advances in market developments. The following table indicates what the Swipe price would be if its growth trajectory matched the rise of the internet, or if prominent tech firms like as Google and Facebook were still in their early stages of development. In addition, the price of Swipe is positively correlated with the price of the top 10 coins by market cap, excluding Tether, with a correlation coefficient of $0.573, and positively correlated with the price of the top 100 coins by market cap, excluding all stablecoins, with a correlation coefficient of 52 cents. The presence of a positive correlation between two currencies, such as Swipe, indicates that the movement of one has a statistically significant weight in causing the movement of the other in the same direction. Because Swipe is negatively associated with currencies that are not, the move in one direction for Swipe would translate into an opposite move for the currency that is negatively connected with Swipe.